Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to get free font. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your browser and open this website 1001freefonts.com, and inside of this website here you'll find unlimited free fonts. And if you want to download a particular font, you can search the fonts here. And suppose I want to download this font, simply click on this download button, and here we can see the font is started to download. And once it is downloaded, you have to extract the zip file and then open the folder, and from here you will get this TTF font version. Simply right click above this and click on install. So this was the way you can install the downloaded font, and from here you will get unlimited free font. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.